So after you signing in to your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and ensure subscription is still active because you cannot watch Tastemade without having YouTube TV base plan first. And then to watch Tastemade, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then you want to click right here on the search icon. You can do it both on your TV or any computer or any streaming devices. So just typing in for Tastemade. And then here on the Tastemade network, not the plus one, you want to click on it. And then here you can just watch Tastemade, Food and More. Just scroll down to see the live session or any series or movies from Tastemade. And to watch the live session, you can just click right here on the live session of the Tastemade. And you can just see on any upcoming live session of Tastemade. And if you want to watch any series or movies from Tastemade, you can just hop into the series or any movies and then click and open on any series that you want to watch and then scroll down and just click on any episode that you really want to watch. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch Tastemade on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.